Hi, I'm Kev from Fix Auto Leicester, and I've recently been working with Everard to have the Bodyguard system installed. I was looking for a solution because when we get every vehicle on site, we take a video and we will literally walk around the vehicle, taking a video, trying to capture every bit of damage on there. With the camera, you've dipped down and you can't quite see, and the quality is probably not quite there. So when you zoom in to try and find a little chip or a little dent or something like that, it goes pixelated and you can't see it properly. With this, I think it solved it because you've got a 360 video of the vehicle coming on site and leaving, so you can see exactly what condition the vehicle's come in and gone away in.
So we've had a vehicle come through where a customer questioned a scratch on the vehicle they said wasn't there before. I watched the video frame by frame as it does. I then could identify that the scratch was there, printed that screen off, went back out to the customer and showed them that. They could see that the date that they brought the vehicle on married up with that video, and that was the end of the case, really.
So we've gone for the extra high one. The reason being for that is we do a lot of vans, but also vehicles coming in on the back of a recovery wagon. It's high enough to still record the majority of the vehicle while it's on the back of a recovery truck.
When it comes in for repair, if it comes in and it's got extra damage, you can say, well, that wasn't there before.
It saves us money, saves us time, and then potentially could generate more revenue going forward.
If you're recording every vehicle that comes on site, the system's going to pay for itself in no time.